Okay, so we're going to look at doing some coding online. So this is using Python to write some code. You've probably done some blocks, and now you want to build up and start actually writing it. So the site we're going to use is Repl.it. That's Repl.it. Now, so you can type that straight up into the search browser. That's fine. And it'll bring you to this website. Okay, you're going to click login or sign up. So I'm going to do this for the first time, so I'm going to sign up. Okay, and what I would do is you put a username, email, password, and click I'm a teacher if you're a teacher. Don't click it if you're a student. There's no benefits. But a shortcut is if you have a Google, just click Google, or if you have a GitHub or a Facebook, although I wouldn't really link with your Facebook if you're using it for school. Plus, I think Facebook might be dated. Okay, cool. So I'm going to link my account. And bada bing, bada boom, we're in. Okay, so you can set your username when you first come in. So I'm going to say the Grimes teacher. Okay, as my username. Hopefully that's available. It must be between 2 and 15 characters. So I feel like that's too many characters. So I'll just get rid of Grimes teacher. No. Oh, it's good. Yes, that works for me. What's your skill level? I'm going to say I have some experience as a teacher, maybe. And I like to do teaching. I like to do learning. I like to do sharing I'm just great. So we can just I'm going to take all these, but you might decide to pick more specific. And then what language are you interested in? I'm personally interested in Python, Java, JavaScript, be careful with that, HTML. And that's me for the moment. There are tons of languages. Show 45 more. I think I'm okay. Okay, so verify by clicking the link we sent to this, okay? And the account is verified already. Introduce yourself to the community, we're not gonna do that, or start coding. Now that's where we're gonna go. So starting coding, you can click on this one down here, or you can go over here on the left-hand side, and you'll see that there is a new REPL. If you click that, you'll get items options here. So I'm just gonna type Python, if you can't find it. It'll give you lots of them, right? We're going for just Python, just regular old Python. And the next thing it does is it gives you a name, and it automatically picks a couple of random words. So I'm just going to call it trial Python. Okay. And then you can make it public or private. So I'm going to say for private referrals, I'm just going to say create it because you need to create an account. And bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. Any second now. It's loading up. My internet's a bit slow. But what you'll have here is you have your console and you have your coding screen. So I'm going to just do a quick piece of code. Hi, we did it. So a message should print. That's what I want. Print, hi, we did it. And when I run this in my console here, it should say, hi, we did it. There we go. And that's us done. So first bit of code, but logging in is the main thing. Lastly, how do I share? I share that with you by clicking share and going down and sharing the link here. And that's pretty much it. Best of luck. Enjoy.